Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. Now dal for me is one such comfort food which defines the essence of love and nourishment since infancy. There are many variations and many recipes of making this dal, but this one is my favorite because it's very easy with just two simple steps. So stick till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin. For this recipe, I will be using moong dal. Now I'll be soaking moong dal for at least an hour, half an hour, minimum half an hour, maximum 1 hour. I will be taking 1/3 cup of moong dal. I will wash it nicely and I'll keep it for soaking. So it's been half an hour that I've soaked this dal. Okay, now I'll transfer this in a pressure cooker. Along with 1 inch ginger, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tomato finely chopped, and salt to taste. So tomato will give a nice tangy flavor which I love. If you want, you can skip adding tomato. So the first whistle will be on high flame, and then I'll turn the flame low and give 2 to 3 whistles on low flame. The idea is to cook the moong dal thoroughly. It has to turn into a paste. And I will let the pressure settle down for another 5 to 6 minutes. Once the pressure is settled, we'll open the pressure cooker. So as you can see, the dal is perfectly cooked. And now we'll go to the step 2. So step 2 is nothing but we'll give a tadka. Okay, so I'll use this to give a tadka to the dal. So for the tadka, I'll be using ghee. Okay, you can use oil as well. So the tadka is very simple. So once the ghee is hot, I'll be adding in mustard seeds. It's around half teaspoon, and a little bit of cumin seeds, that is around 1/4 teaspoon. Then I'll be adding in 2 garlic cloves. I've just smashed it. And once you see the garlic just turn slightly brown, I'll be adding in a pinch of hing. I will turn off the flame and I'll put some curry leaves. Okay, that's it. Our tadka is ready to go in the dal. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Dal is ready. I've just turned on the flame. I'll just cook it for another 1 minute. I'll just let it come to a boil. And here we'll garnish it with fresh coriander leaves finely chopped. At this stage, if you want, you can adjust the salt. You can taste for the salt and adjust it accordingly. And if you want, you can also add few drops of lime juice for some extra sourness. Okay, so our dal is ready. I'll just let it come to a boil and then I'll turn off the flame. So that's about it, guys. It was that simple to make this dal. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this video and how you like this recipe, and do tell me in the comments below your dal story. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.